What's up? Joke lang. May fiesta tayo ngayon. Nagluto ako. Monggo. Kahit hindi Friday. Kaya, kakain na naman tayo. Welcome back to another video. And today, magmumukbang tayo. Ito. Bulad. We call it pescado seco in Chavacano. Dried fish. Monggo. And we have the macaroni salad. Ooh. And of course, rice is life. Let's eat. Come kita. At kain tayo. Rice. Let's start. Still sick. So magkamay. Favorite nyo din ba to? Kahit hindi Friday, magmumonggo tayo. So, itong munggo, nilagyan ko ng carrots and hotdog at Yummer! Harap! So yummy. I wish narinig niyo yung pagka-crispy ng... Anong tawag dito sa Tagal? Tuyo. Tuyo. Bulad. Yung bulad. Pero we call it pescado seco in Chavacano. Chavacano is a broken Spanish. It's our dialect in Zamboanga. Harap kumain na. Ano ba ito? Iced tea pala. Sa mga naglalaway dyan, tara kain tayo.
Yummy.
Is it? It's yummy.
Yeah.
Want to try?
A little piece of meat. Piece of fish.
Yeah, in order to preserve this dried fish, we need to add some salt or put some salt. Mmm. Sarap. Ang sarap ng munggo. Why are you running? Do you like the munggo?
Huh?
It's yummy.
Yes, what?
With the meat.
Yes.
What?
Is there?
Like
Oh.
everything.
Yes, I guess the soap too.
Hmm?
Soaked it for a long time. Oh, you soaked it last time too.
Mm-hmm. So, rice is life. You know, when rice is life. Kaway-kaway dyan sa mga mahilig din mag-rice. Before, hindi naman talaga ako masyadong nag-rice. Kaya kong hindi mag-rice ng like 1 week, almost a month. Pero, minsan, lahat na nagbabago. Tugod. Hindi. Kasi parang ang sarap ng rice. Ang sarap. Ang mga taga-abroad dyan, alam ko, namimiss nyo din to. Sa mga friends ko dyan,
Mukbang, 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 mukbang.
may nag-cheer sa akin. Yummers. Ang daming benefits pala ng mung beans. I-google nyo na lang. Nakalimutan ko na eh. Pero super dami. Kaya, nung ni-research ko, kinontinue na namin kainin yung...
Parental benefits.
Hmm?
Parental benefits.
From mung beans?
Oh.
Can you check? Can you shout out, baby?
Well, you said parental benefits.
Friend with them. And it's so far. Let's say that. Ang dami. It means a lot.
Beans. Packed with healthy nutrients.
Huh?
It's packed with healthy nutrients.
Mm-hmm. Like what?
Like zinc.
Zinc. Remember?
Fiber.
Fiber.
Vitamin D.
What? Vitamin D1.
The iron. 16% iron.
16% iron. So, sa mga anemic dyan, magmungdong na kayo.
Vitamins B2, 3, 5, and 6. And
So,
selenium.
daming benefits na.
Antioxidant has high antioxidant levels.
Oh, sa mga ayaw mag-aging dyan, antioxidant daw yung mung bean.
May prevent strokes.
Stroke?
Yeah.
Prevent stroke?
Yeah. Lowers bad cholesterol.
Lower blood cholesterol. Well, of course, kailangan nyo din mag-research.
Potassium, magnesium, and fiber, which may reduce blood pressure.
Narinig nyo yan?
Fiber and resistant starch in mung beans may aid in digestive health. Helps your digest.
Super daming benefits ng Monggo.
May promote weight loss by suppressing hunger and raising hormones.
Do you think?
Maybe. Probably.
I think so. I guess we cannot relate to that. Because we're always hungry. So may magandang epekto, pero kung sobra din yung kino-consume nyo, baka may side effect din siya. So better do your research. Pero I highly suggest yung mung bean. Super sarap niya. Masarap naman yung niluluto ko before, pero mas masarap to. Kasi siguro ang daming spices, meat, and everything. So ngayon, kakain tayo ng macaroni salad. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Meron pa.
You're eating again?
Again and again. Ito na lang yung natira. So here.
This one? This one?
What's that?
Mozzarella?
Mozzarella. It doesn't have any taste, huh? Fiesta tayo ngayon.
No.
You want to try?
No. I don't know. I'll throw up.
Try.
It'll make me throw up.
Nilawa yan. Madami to. So, nilagyan ko din ng carrots. Pwede naman. Pero yung nagpapasaya talaga sa akin sa macaroni salad is yung cheese. So, sa mga cheese lover dyan, hello po. So yummy. Okay, tapos na tayo. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and i-click nyo na din yung notification bell para ma-update kayo kung may bago akong video. Buyers!